Keep every client restroom looking intentionally finished so customers read cleanliness at a glance. Start by auditing sightlines from the door to the sink and toilet and fix everything visible first. Replace partial toilet paper rolls with full or clearly staged holders and only expose a partial roll if the client has requested that style. Wipe splash marks around faucets and soap dispensers after each cleaning using a microfiber cloth and a gentle cleaner to avoid residue. Align trash liners so they sit evenly below the rim and tuck excess material inside to prevent sagging or tears that draw attention. Polish chrome and stainless surfaces with a dry cloth after cleaning to remove water spots and restore a uniform shine without streaks. Finish by mopping with a squeegee technique or figure-8 motion and buffing high traffic areas dry so tiles and vinyl have an even, streak-free look. Many teams forget to restock strategically and leave half-used items exposed, which makes the space look neglected even if it is sanitary, so keep backups in a closed cabinet or present a single neat replacement. A second common issue is residue from cleaners that causes dullness or streaks, which you avoid by rinsing or wiping surfaces with a clean, damp cloth and using microfiber for drying. Staff often neglect edges and grout lines where dirt accumulates, so include a quick brush or small detailing wipe in your routine for those areas to maintain consistent appearance. We built BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors who can improve bathroom aesthetics and overall presentation. On our site, we also help contractors find work and participate in a discussion community where members share practical tips and before and after ideas.